Welcome guys to my channel once again. It's your host OTC right here. So in today's video we will be discussing about Euro GBP pair for the upcoming trading week, that is from 19 to 23rd July. So let's begin. So guys, as you can see, we are in Euro GBP pair. So what do we see? That price has came down to this zone. All right, so after coming to this zone, price made a push to the upside. So what does it mean? As you can see, price was in a bit range, then broke below, pushed back up, then moving to the downside. But what do we see? This candle, it clearly shows bullish. Buyers are in aggressive. Buyers are making aggressive buys and letting the sellers going out of the window. You know what I'm saying? So we can see daily is in uptrend. So let's just move to 4 hour. So we see much clear if I draw these zones. All right, this zone, and I mark this as supply. So let me just mark it supply. All right, so what we see, we're watching the price making its way to the upside. So it's clearly will be looking for the buys. All right, and let the market retrace to this. Let me just draw fibs. All right, let the market retrace up to this level to test it. Let me just mark it like test zone. All right, this will be our test zone right here. Let the market come to this zone. After coming it, just wait for a clean and simple price action and look for buys. All right, as because this market broke above this high, rejected, and then another bullish candle moved up, and what it did, broke its high. Then it's clear that it's going to the upside, but let the price comes to this level and we'll be looking for buys. You can see price is going to retrace here. If the price fell below this, then I'll be looking for the sell side. For the failing structure, I'll be looking for something like this. Let the market made a price action, make a spring, and then test, and then all right, something like this. All right, so how do we anticipate this? As you can see, this is a clear demand level. All right, so let the price either come to a test zone or let the price breach this structure, and we'll be looking for sell to the downside for this level up, for it's like 25 pips. All right, so now mark my instinct is saying that price will be going to the upside, but you have to just wait to this to play out for this level. All right, stop loss and target for this, which will be like 45 pips. All right, so moving to 30 minutes, it's just the same. So we'll be just looking for a clean retracement. After that clean retracement, then we'll just enter a position. All right, so if you guys like today's analysis for the upcoming week, make sure that you guys like and subscribe to this channel, so that you won't miss any updates about upcoming videos in the future. So hope you guys will be having a bang upcoming week, and you guys will be making a bag, and be